started already helping our friends, people here in Pakistan from 15 July, once the monsoon started, one month after that. So the first distribution of food items were to Baluchistan province, and from that day, from 15 July, we continued till now. As His Excellency said, we distributed more than 65,000 food packets, more than 50,000 mosquito nets, 5,000 tents, 25,000 non-food items. If you see from Gilgit-Baltistan, KP, AJK, Punjab, Sindh, actually we reached up to 51 areas in Pakistan. These are divided into 9 areas in KPK, 6 areas in GB, and 2 affected areas in Azad, Jammu and Kashmir, 6 in Punjab, 13 in Sindh, and the most was 15 areas in Baluchistan.
This time, even before the floods came in, we had a very robust and very close coordination with King Salman Relief working here. NDMA and King Salman Relief are actually 2 very close partners. And I have been working with His Excellency, the leadership of Dr. Khalid and his team, and I take pride in sharing with you that he is truly a humanitarian heart and soul.